Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. Can I ask some questions?
Yes,
Can he listen the spoken English?
yes, he can listen the spoken English.
Can she cook the chicken?
Yes, she can.
Can he ride a bicycle?
Yes, he can ride a bicycle.
Can you take it?
Yes, I can take it.
Can she write an essay?
Yes, she can write an essay. Essay.
Can you eat chocolate?
Yes, I can eat chocolate.
Can you understand my questions?
Yes, I understand your questions.
Can they wake up early morning?
Yes, they can.
Can they help you work?
Yes, they can.
Can she write a story?
Yes, she can write a story.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Can you build sand castles?
Sorry,
Can elephants jump?
sorry, விளங்குதில்ல.
Can elephants jump?
Cannot.
Okay. Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Can you cook very well?
No, sorry, I can't cook very well.
Can you play piano?
I can't play piano.
Can you swim?
I can. I cannot swim.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There are a few things that when somebody says, "How are you?" If you say, "I'm fine," you have to say, "Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you." Can I ask some questions? Is not the correct way of asking. Can I ask a few questions? Okay. Can I ask a few questions? Can he listen to spoken English? Can he listen English? And that's not the correct way of asking. You have to ask, can he listen to spoken English? Can, han, can, han, can. There's a difference. You have to practice this. So write down these two words, han and can. Actually, han is not a real word. I don't know if there's a real word like that, but for your pronunciation, I'm saying that. Han, can. Write these two words and then read them one after the other. Han, can. Han, can. Practice, otherwise you will not get the right pronunciation. Then, can they wake up early in the morning? You shouldn't say, can they wake up early morning, right? You have to say, can they wake up early in the morning? Sand castle. You said sand castle. It's not a castle, it's castle. Okay. This word is castle. The pronunciation is castle. Okay.
Hi Nivedi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Uh, can you come with me?
Yes, I can come with you.
Thank you. Can you finish your homework?
Yes, I can finish my homework.
Can it fly?
Yes, it can fly.
Can they going to Colombo by bus?
Yes, they can Colombo to the bus.
Can you swim in the sea?
No, I can't swim in the sea.
Can you do to practice self-care and relaxation this week?
Yes, I can do self-care relaxation.
Can you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I can celebrate my birthday.
Can you help to others?
Yes, I can help others.
Can you drive motorbike?
Yes, I can drive bike.
Can you be my good friend?
Yes, I can. A good friend.
Thank you so much.
So when you say good evening, you have to say good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Don't say that. Okay. You can say, can you finish your homework? Or you can also say, can you complete your homework? It depends on the context or the situation, but usually you can say it's best to use complete. Okay, can you complete? Can you finish means it also means complete, something like complete, but finish means there's nothing left. You can finish food. Okay, you can finish all the food. but you can't complete all the food. You can complete your work. Okay. So that's the difference between finish and complete, but it depends on the context and the situation. Repeat the question, then you have to say, please. Can you repeat the question? Please. It's a nice way of asking people. Say, please. Then, can they go to Colombo? Can they going to Colombo is a wrong usage. Okay, you have to say go, not going. Can they go to Colombo? And then the answer is also they can go to Colombo. Right. Then you can say, can you practice? You can say, can you do? Right, but you can't say both. Can you practice, do homework? It's not a correct usage. Okay, I heard something like that. I'm not sure what you said, but if you want to say homework, you say, can you do the homework? If you want to say spoken English or speak English, can you practice speaking English? Okay, or can you practice English? Can you do homework? Right, and then when you say help, you don't need to say help to others. In English, help doesn't need a preposition. You can say help others. Okay. You can say help others. This to is unnecessary. It's not needed. It's not necessary. Okay. Thank you. With that, we'll move into today's context. Right. Can you see the sentences? Can you see the letters is visible? Okay, I'll make them a little bit bigger. Right now you can see. Yeah, I wanted to add an image, but the images are not here. I'll show you the images later. Now, can somebody read this?
A red car parked in the garage. In a garage. Sentences. The car is in the garage. The car is on the driveway. The car is at the house. The car is next to the tree. The car is behind the house.
Right. So these words highlighted in the words highlighted, not highlighted actually, the words that are bold are called prepositions. Okay, they come before an object, right? These words come before an object. That's why they are called prepositions. Okay, when you say them, you don't say prepositions, you say prepositions, right? It's one word, so you say prepositions. Now, what these words do, they connect these two parts of the sentence. Okay, the car is, that means there's a car. The garage, that means there's a garage. Now the car is in the garage. So the car is the subject. The car is, where is the car? The car is in the garage. Where is the car? The car is on the driveway. Driveway means the road where you can take the car from the garage to the main road. The connection, the in between, that is called driveway. The car is at the house. Where is the car? The car is at the house. Okay, it's not doing anything, it's just at the house. The car is next to a tree. Next to. பக்கத்துல அடுத்ததாக மரத்துக்கு அடுத்ததா கார் இருக்கு. The car is next to the tree. The car is behind the house. Behind, you all know the meaning behind, right? So these are called, sorry, these are called prepositions. So these words are called prepositions. Now let's go back to the first slide that I showed you. You can see these prepositions can be used in different places and different occasions, right? So in, the cat is sleeping in the basket. Basket, you know what a basket is. The cat is sleeping in the basket. I live in a small town. The on, you use it differently. The book is on the table. Okay, you know what a table is, right? Table. On the table. The picture is hanging. Do you know what hanging is? Hangana thonguradu, okay? Hanging on the wall. Wall and a sugar. remember wall clock. So the book is on the table. The picture is hanging on the wall. At where we are meeting at the park. Okay, you can ask a question like this. Where are we meeting tomorrow? We are meeting at the park. So this is a place. This is locating a place. The train arrives at 10 o'clock. Now this is pinpointing a time. This is indicating a time. So you can use at when you have to locate a place or you have to indicate a time. You can say, we are meeting at the park. You don't say we are meeting in the park, on the park, under the park, next to the park, behind the park. You can say in different instances, but if you want to meet at the park, if you are showing the location as the park, you have to say at the park. And then the time. The train arrives at 10 o'clock. Next to something is next to another thing. Okay, here's something. It is next to another thing. Okay, so the chair is next to the sofa. He is sitting next to his friend. Okay, that's next to. Behind. The dog is hiding behind the tree. Hide, hide and seek. Hiding. Okay, the dog is hiding behind the tree. The ball is behind the door. So these are prepositions, and I guess, I hope you understand the meanings. Now, I asked an AI program to draw me a few pictures with these pronunciations, with these prepositions, and it gave me a few pictures. Now I'm going to show you those pictures, and you can try to say something about the pictures, right? I gave it all these descriptions, and then I asked you to write some pictures, draw some pictures, and it gave me these pictures. Okay, can you see the picture? Can somebody talk to me about the picture?
The car is near the tree.
Yes, that is true.
The car is at the garage.
Is it in the garage or is it outside the garage?
Outside of the garage.
So, but where is the car?
The car is under the house.
You don't say under. If you say under, it has to be under some object. This is inside. Okay, this is inside, and car is not inside the house. This is a garage where you park vehicles. It's the location. The place is called a garage. The car is in the garage. Okay. If you want to say under, you can say under the roof. Roof means the top part of the house. So you can say under the roof, but this is in the garage.
The car is on the driveway.
Correct. Right. So I asked this AI to draw some images for me, and it gave me these images. Can somebody else say about something about this?
Flower was on the table.
Yeah, this is on the table. But what is it?
Flower was, I don't know.
Pot.
Pot. Pot.
Pot is also correct, but pot is very common. You can say a dish, a basin, anything as a pot, but this is special. This is very special case. You keep flowers inside it, right? You can call it a vase. The pronunciation is vase.
Vase.
Okay. Yeah,
Flower
it's a vase.
vase.
Flower vase is on the table. That is correct. Okay. Anybody else? Can you say something about this?